हाय दोस्तों, क्या आपको पता है हर एक बंदे को इंग्लिश बोलना और हिंदी बोलना तो आता ही आता है। मतलब लैंग्वेज बोलना इट्स वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट थिंग एवर। पर अगर मैं आपसे कहूं कि आपको 10 लोगों के सामने आपको कुछ क्रिएटिव तरीके से कुछ चीजों को एक्सप्लेन करना है, दैट बिकम्स हार्ड। सो गाइस, आज के सेशन में हमने अपने स्टूडेंट से कराई अनबॉक्सिंग। हमने उन्हें एक दिन पहले टास्क दिया कि गो बैक टू योर होम एंड गेट समथिंग पैक्ड। कोई भी एक चीज पैक करके लेकर के आओ and unbox it in your own style. And finally, they have done it. So let's see some videos right there.
Hello dostos, so today we are here with an unboxing video and we are going to unbox my birthday gift because it was my birthday yesterday. I'm so excited, but wait, there is something. I don't know who has sent me this gift. Do you know? Oh, there is something written, wait. https surprise420.com to the lucky one. Even my name is not written here. I think I must open this. Wait. I think there's a special note before. Do open it silently, otherwise you would not get anything. But why? And don't try to cheat. I'm listening everything. I'm neither a ghost nor a human. Who is it? Who is he who has sent me this gift? Let's open this first. What do you think? What can it be? Have any idea? Let's see. Huh? What? A shoebox? Let's see what is it inside. Again, a surprise. Literally a surprise. Oh wow! It is a book. Literally, I can't believe that it is a book. But even who has sent me this? I think there can be. Oh, there's a note. Trying to wonder who am I? I'm your future self. Who wanna see you growing? It's not a magic. It's just you who is going to improve in future. And that is why this book is here with you. Thank you.
Hello guys, here I am and with a new parcel that I recently got from Amazon, and as you can see it is a speaker from Zebronics, from the company known as Zebronics, and its model is 2.0 Zev Warrior. So let's see what's inside. How is it? Continue. Well, let me just open it up here. Right. Okay, so it's as I expected as I saw on the picture, it says like that only. I would like to open it up a little more. And here it is a single. Here it is the first part, and let's get the second as well. Yeah. So here it is the second part as well, and I wish I could test it here, but sadly I can't test it right here only. I would do it at my home, but as you can see, these looks pretty basic and these are really small. But when you would listen to the sound quality of this, you would be amazed. And when it comes to price, you would be even more amazed. And the best thing about this is this sound control. Not all the things and all the speakers have this feature in it that known as sound control, as like a physical button on it. And there are a lot of things about this speaker that is quite unique, that makes it different from others. And one of the greatest thing ever that I liked in it, that I got 200 rupees off on this. Thank you.
So, hello everyone.
Hi.
So as you know, so this gift Recently received this gift, but I don't know who gifted me. So I'm very excited for open this gift. So are you ready for open this gift? Yes. I know I'm not energetic, so you are.
Don't say this, Didi. Don't accept it.
Okay. Can I open?
Yes, please.
Oh my God, this is really good. Because of this is the I'm so excited because of this is the sign of peace. This is the God of Ganesh ji. I really thankful this that man who is gifting me, and that man really wishes for me good. So thank you for that. Thank you, sir.
ठंडे ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए, पर क्या हो अगर वो ठंडा पानी तुम्हें नहाने से रोक दे? उसके लिए मेरा एक सोल्यूशन है, फिन गोल्ड रॉड. And yes guys, this is sponsored by PK Electricals. It is made in India. You know, India, made in India. करेगा भारत तभी तो बढ़ेगा भारत. And you know, it comes with a season warranty. Let's just open it. And one more thing, it is waterproof. And you can see the color. It has multiple colors in our shop known as yes. Here comes the fine gold comes with 240-watt power, and it is very power saving. It can challenge over geyser as well. And you know that geyser, how much it cost over installation, over it is as well. The whole product, it costs very much, approx 10,000, but it is 250 rupees. And one more thing, it is shock proof. You will not get any shock, any type of shock that usually you have. And in the box, it is also shown that you how to use it. As you can see how to use it, it is clearly written. And whosoever can't able to read, it is also photo as well. You can see the photo and make your decision as like this only. Now just look at the build quality of this product. Very solid, a copper material it is used, and it is of a plastic. This cable is also very thick, not going to easily be destroyed or damaged. It is very good quality. I hope you all like my product. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you.
A very good evening, everyone. So here, this is your friend Vaibhavi, and are you excited to eat chocolates? Yes. Very excited. Yes. Do you love eating chocolates? Yes. So here I have a full box of Amul chocolates, Amul mini chocolates, and we will be sharing it. Okay? Yes. So let's open it. Okay. What? There is no chocolates. Oh. But what is this? What is this? This is my name. Who gifted this? Vaibhavi Pamar. And another thing. What is this? Let life surprise you. Just like this box surprised us. There was nothing, just this. Instead of these chocolates, there were these kind of things. So, what another things are there? There are, yes, a matchbox. So, what this matchbox can be used for? For burning your doubts on yourself. So burn your doubts with this matchbox, okay? And these matchsticks, use these matchsticks. And this domes color sketch pens. Color your thoughts with these sketch pens, okay? Okay, guys? Yes. And whenever you feel confused, just like this. So, let your passion inspire yourself and make your inspiration make your inspiration and develop yourself, your imagination. Okay? Then there is this diary I have, which I made a few days back. Not a few days, a few years back, I made this to randomly capture my thoughts. So you can also make these kind of diaries, okay? And if not this kind of diary, you can buy it from somewhere, okay?
Yeah.
And what else is there? This is the letter my friends, my family gifted me on my birthday. Okay? And what else is there? So, by the way, who else is here love these anime and Korean friends or Korean music? You may have heard about BTS, Bangtan Boys. So here this is. Once you gym in, you can't gym out. And then there is for all the Pahadis that every time chai chai, we are Pahadi guys. Okay? And guys, this is our life. So sometimes we have to take breaks because if we won't take breaks, then we will be confused. So taking breaks at a certain point of time is also essential for our mental and physical health. So take breaks too, okay? And always stay strong, be it mentally, be it physically, and respect yourself and others too. Thank you.
Did you write it down just because of this session or this thing?
What's up?
Did you write all this thing down because of session?
No, I just randomly did it.
It was a past done, right?
Yes.
It was done in past.
It was like this box was this kind of things were there only. I just created this idea. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Not something everything is so creative. But why did you have this matchbox? Party guys. Thank you. Fine. Don't do it, yeah. What happened by the way? May I ask? Why did you somebody no issues. Fine.
So hello guys, this side your friend Shaurya. Today I am here for the unboxing of the gift which was given to my mother from his boss. So let's unbox the gift. Wow, this gift was so amazing. This gift is a hot case which was gifted by my mother boss on Diwali. The use of this hot case is to keep food warm on even winters. When people want to eat the hot food when there is so cold outside, so these type of hot cases are provided. The quality of this hot case is so good. It's a stainless steel. And you can see that There is also a holder from which you can hold it by traveling across the world. So thank you for watching the unboxing video.
ओके तो आप सभी ने देखी इस अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो की कुछ कुछ छोटी मोटी झलक, और इस झलक से हमें एक चीज़ समझ आती है कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने मिल्टन के डब्बे खोले, कुछ ने स्पीकर्स, और एट द सेम कुछ लोग कुछ लाइव लर्निंग और मोटिवेशन के साथ गए, और कुछ लोगों ने इमोशनली कनेक्ट करते हुए बुक की इंपॉर्टेंस को समझाया। कुछ भी नया करने से पहले ये बिल्कुल ना सोचे कि क्या सही है या गलत है, सही और गलत करने के बाद पता लगता है। सो एंजॉय डूइंग थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ एंड स्टॉप थिंकिंग अननेसेसरी। थैंक यू सो मच।